Oh, so I just woke up and yeah, today's the day. No technology. Well, at least no school, so that's a huge plus. Okay, so now I'm all dressed up. The only thing I have to do is to actually get to school on time. Before I leave, I'd like to say goodbye to my laptop, to my AC, to my fan, to my electrical cord, my Wi-Fi, yes, my light bulb, just basically all the electronic gadgets in my house and in the world. I'm gonna miss them because I won't be using them today. I'll see you in the afternoon. I can already tell this is gonna be so fun.
I expect amazing high quality projects from you guys. Alright? High quality. Amazing videos. Inspirational, life changing.
Yes, inspirational.
Inspire.
Ah, my voice. We're here.
We're here.
We're here.
We're not here yet.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, we're taking a boat.
Look at this uncivilized transportation. Oh, this is so uncivilized. Tell me, Samuel, the point of this trip is to not use any technology. What is the point of this bike?
Bike consistent the essence of human nature.
So this is not a technology, right?
This is not considered as a technology.
Okay, fair enough. So we've arrived at the island where we're supposed to be in the nature. Right now, yeah, so I don't know, I'm looking forward to it. And they're asking me to stop. Yeah. Miss Rebecca,
Yes.
this whole trip, the point of this trip is to experience nature.
Yes.
And what did you just ask us to find?
A coffee shop.
It's a testicle made out of twigs.
David, shut up.
That's the magical coffee shop. Where is it? Over there. The car's blocking it. Yeah. Look at this uncivilized meal. Rebecca,
Yes.
give me a description of our brunch in haiku.
In haiku.
Yeah.
Noodles in a bowl. A little bit slimy. Look chin.
Perfect. We're here! Finally! At the park! After like 3 hours! Oh my god! Oh! What is Petra being with nature? What is that wild creature? Jeff, don't follow me. Why are you following me? We have this giant watchtower thing over there. Right? And I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna go scout. We have this convenient bike park area. Not bike park, bike parking area. So I'll go up there, I'll look what's up. Okay, so I'm at the top of this watchtower. While we're on top of this watchtower, I wanted to spend this time talking about the topic of this project, of this field trip. Basically, should we, or rather, do we prefer to live in nature alone, or do we prefer to live in a society with others, you know? And to be honest, even before this project began, I always thought that I wanted to, or I will, live in society with people, with civilization, in civilization, because I love interacting with people. I love talking to people. I love basically working with people, right? I could if I had to work by myself, work alone, but then I wouldn't do that for longer than a week, you know, because it's boring, and I don't like boring things. That's basically living alone in nature, right? I'm not saying that nature is boring. Nature is fun. It's adventurous. You don't know what's out there. But let me give you an example. Let's say you're sad. You have no one to rely on. You're happy. You have no one to celebrate with. That's the whole reason why I would prefer society, civilization over nature, because in my opinion, to live means to interact with others, right? Humans are lonely creatures, and we desire relationship. That's why we want love. That's why we seek for partners. We want to be in a relationship. And that's why we have countries, we have families, we have clans. We form groups, you know, even in your school or in your whatever, your job. You have your own group of people that you are with, right? That you can empathize with. Then you can relate together, you know? But if you're alone in nature, you can't do that, right? Maybe that's just me. It might be different to other people, but as of now, I truly believe that I would prefer civilization over nature. Maybe that will change as I go throughout the day, and we'll see what happens. But that's it for right now, and I'll see you later. Okay, thankfully I've made it on time, and we're gonna take a massive selfie.
We need to all fit into this one photo.
No, not with that.
Selfie.
Go to longer arm. You do this.
Selfie. It's a video. Ha.
Oh, okay.
Ha ha.
Yeah, put it on me. Am I good?
So we're finally back, where all these poor bicycles are locked up in chains, and we're now gonna go eat ice cream. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, what's that, Miss Rebecca? You're buying ice cream for us?
No, I'm not.
Thank you very much.
No.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Yeah, so you need to buy me ice cream.
No.
Buy me ice cream.
No.
Ice cream.
No.
How's nature?
It's beautiful.
Nature was natural.
You know what happened with the D.R.E.
How was nature?
Hot, but beautiful. I don't know why. Let's give it to him. We're going back home.
Even up. Oh my gosh, that was so tiring, man. It was so exhausting. Oh my gosh,
Never do a field trip again.
we're finally back to nature. Like a boss. See, now everybody is using technology. Everybody is using technology. You're in a car. You're using technology, man. Get off. Get off.